In this video, I'm going to be talking about dark patterns. A dark pattern is a term used in user experience research to convey methods that websites use to trick you into performing a certain action. They're thoughtfully designed to be imperceivable and hard to detect. Let's walk through some examples of dark patterns. We'll also add a link to the helpful resource darkpatterns.org in the description. The first example of a dark pattern is the bait and switch. This is when customers think that they know what they're doing, such as closing out of a pop-up, but the website will actually do the opposite of that action. You'd expect the X on the top right would stop the download. However, it actually jumpstarts the download process as opposed to canceling the download. Forced disclosure is when a website makes you enter sensitive information such as your credit card, name, address, or any personal information in exchange for a free or near free service. A ROACH MOTEL is when a company makes it extremely difficult to get out of a certain situation. For example, making users call a customer service number to opt out of email communications. In this example, you have to call a number between certain hours just to unsubscribe. Forced continuity is when you signed up for a free trial of a service, and at the end of the trial, your credit card is silently charged. Next is friend spam. In 2015, LinkedIn lost a $13 million lawsuit related to this. LinkedIn used to ask you to strengthen your network by inviting your entire book of contacts to LinkedIn via email. It had pre-checked all of your contacts and would send an invite from your email. If you click the harmless-looking button Add to your network, you are giving LinkedIn permission to spam every person you've ever emailed. Misdirection attempts to focus your attention on a distracting stimuli. London Zoo is a great example. They highlighted the green button as if it's the next step in the checkout process, but it's actually making you donate to the zoo. The blue, less conspicuous button is how you can move through the checkout process. Second, for this online shoe company, you think you're checking out as a regular member, but they auto-enroll you in a VIP membership that costs upward of $40. The checkout as a regular member is in tiny text. The next screen is the screen that you enter your credit card. You think you're checking a harmless terms and conditions box, but you're really accepting the terms of the VIP program. Sneak into the basket is when a company will add extra items into your cart through the use of an opt-out radio button or checkbox on the prior page. In this example, Sports Direct asks if you wanted a free item, but in the fine print it says plus €1 for packaging. Another great example of this is Ryanair. They will automatically enroll you in insurance, and you'll have to select Don't Insure Me, which is hidden in the alphabetized country dropdown. Confirm shaming is when a website guilts you into opting into something, for example, a newsletter. In this example, the company is shaming you by saying, "No, I don't want more knowledge," so you feel as though you have to subscribe to their email service, since you're missing out on getting smarter. Disguised advertising is when companies run advertisements that look like a download button, tricking users into clicking on the ads rather than getting the thing they really wanted. Preventative price comparison is when companies don't want people to compare two items or figure out the price of one unit in a bundle. In this example, you can't compare the 2 bags of apples because it doesn't show you the price of one unit. Bad language. In this example, you're extremely confused by what action to take to cancel your order, since the cancel button is essentially saying, cancel your cancel. It's important to double-check your product or website to ensure that you're free of dark patterns. These dark patterns put stress on your customer, and you don't want that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to the Playbook UX channel for more on product and UX.